All right, welcome back to Ponderize. Today we're going to go over study questions for a talk by Elder Gong called We Each Have a Story. All right, we hope that you can take some time to pause during this video, write down any thoughts that you have. You can share this with your family, with your Elders Quorum Relief Society, or just study personally with it. And let's get into it. First question, what is your story? And what story does your name tell? Can you think of a special sweet memory with a grandparent or other family member? You may want to pause and go write that up. It's an important thing to keep. If you think your great aunt has completed all your family genealogy, please find your cousins and cousins' cousins. The question is, how do you feel when you talk about your ancestors or do family history work? A mother I know invited her children and their cousins to ask their great-grandmother about her childhood experiences. Great-grandma's adventures and life lessons are now a treasured family book uniting generations. Have you ever saved stories from your family? How did you do it, and what story do you remember? We honor our ancestors by opening the heavens through temple and family history work and by becoming a welding link in the chain of our generations. What does it mean to be a welding link? In this age of I choose me, societies benefit when generations connect in meaningful ways. Why is it important to overcome this mentality of I choose me? And how could your life be better by overcoming this mentality? We need roots to have wings, real relationships, meaningful service, life beyond fleeting social media veneers. What's a veneer? Anybody know? It can be like a decorative thin piece of wood or even fake teeth that look nice. And knowing what a veneer is now, what does fleeting social media veneers mean? Indeed, we without our family members cannot be made perfect, neither can they without us be made perfect. That is, in a whole and complete and perfect union. So why do you think we need our family in order for us to be perfect? All right, thanks for following along with those questions. If you liked it, then please like and subscribe. We need your support so we can continue to do this. All right, thanks.